Assalamu alaikum. There won't be any fancy introduction because this video is the continuum of its previous one. I will add the first part in the video description below. Stick around until the end of the video to participate in the interaction question. Participate in the question to check if you really understand what is covered in both of the parts. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Step-by-step guide to how to form a habit. By now, we know what a habit is, why it is needed, its main components, and the importance of willpower in fighting our response to the routine. It is now the best time to know how to form a habit. Attention everyone, this part of the video is heavy and the most important. As usual, focus if you want to get the most out of it. Here are the steps. Identify the habit you want to form. Specificity. Clearly define what habit you want to develop. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to focus on it. Relevance. Ensure the habit aligns with your goals or values. This increases motivation and commitment. Example, if you want to start exercising, specify whether it's jogging, strength training, or yoga. Instead of saying, I want to exercise more, say, I want to jog for 20 minutes every morning. Start small and focus on consistency. Set achievable goals. Begin with small, manageable steps that are easy to maintain. Consistency is more important than intensity in the early stages. Build gradually. As the habit becomes established, you can gradually increase the complexity or duration. Example, start by jogging for 5 minutes every morning. Once this becomes a habit, gradually increase the time to 20 minutes. Create effective cues. Time-based cues. Schedule your habit at a specific time each day. Location-based cues. Associate your habit with a specific location. Emotional cues. Use feelings or reactions to trigger the habit. Example, to build a reading habit, set a time, like 9 p.m., and a place, like your favorite chair, where you will read each evening. Eliminate bad cues. Identify the bad cue. Reflect on the circumstances or triggers that lead to your bad habits. Remove or replace the bad cue. Once identified, find ways to eliminate or replace the bad cue. Example, if you have a habit of snacking junk food when watching TV, the cue might be the act of sitting down on the couch with the TV remote. To eliminate this bad cue, consider changing your routine by moving your TV watching to a different location or replacing the snack with a healthier option. Alternatively, you could replace TV time with another relaxing activity like reading or walking. Design your routine. Make it enjoyable. Incorporate elements that make the routine pleasant or rewarding. Simplify the process. Remove obstacles that could deter you from following through. Example, if you are forming a habit of drinking more water, keep a water bottle on your desk to make it easy to reach for. Reinforce the habit with rewards. Immediate rewards. Provide yourself with a small reward after completing the habit to reinforce it. Long-term benefits. Keep in mind the long-term benefits of the habit to stay motivated. Example, after completing your morning jog, treat yourself with a favorite healthy snack or a relaxing shower. Strengthen your belief system. Affirmations. Regularly remind yourself of why this habit is important to you. Visualizations. Visualize the positive outcome of maintaining the habit. Example, believe that consistent exercise will lead to better health and improved mood, reinforcing your commitment. Track your progress. Use a habit tracker. Mark each day you successfully perform the habit. This visual representation of your progress can be highly motivating. Reflect regularly. Review your progress weekly or monthly and make adjustments as needed. Example, use a habit tracking app or a simple calendar to track your jogging days. Manage willpower wisely. Prioritize. Focus on building one habit at a time to avoid depleting your willpower. Plan for obstacles. Identify potential challenges and plan how to overcome them. Example, if you know you are likely to skip jogging when it's raining, have an indoor workout routine ready as an alternative. Adjust and evolve. Be flexible. If you find your habit isn't sticking, don't be afraid to modify your approach. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge and reward yourself for hitting significant milestones in your habit formation journey. Example, if your initial goal was to jog 3 times a week, but you find it challenging, adjust to twice a week and build up from there. Repeat and sustain. Consistency over perfection. Focus on maintaining consistency. Even if you miss a day or two, the key is to get back on track. Build habit stacking. Once a habit is established, consider adding another habit onto it, creating a routine of positive behaviors. Example, after making jogging a habit, you could add a 5-minute stretching routine immediately afterward. By following these steps and understanding the psychology behind habit formation, you can effectively build and sustain good habits that lead to lasting positive changes in your life. Here comes the interaction question. What is the most important thing you've learned about habits? What is it? How will you apply it? Let me know in the comments. That's it for me now. Assalamu alaikum.